Hey there, just want to go over some number forms and some vocabulary. So first when we talk about standard and numerical form, that's what we see most often, how numbers are written. So it could be something like this, where it's written with all digits, so 17,365. So when we read numbers, we start from the left, move to the right, we go one period at a time. In this case, we just have the thousands first, so I read 17. This comma tells me that's 1,000, and I just read 365. So I'm really reading 3 digits at a time, a group of a period at a time. All right, word form. It's important to know how to read these numbers correctly because word form is how we would say the number just written in words. So again, I cover up, I'm looking just one period at a time. I'm left with 17, and then I'm in my thousands period, so I'd write that 17,000. And then I would read the rest of my number like it was just 3 digits, 365. 365. And if you notice, I did not say the word and because there is no decimal. I only use the word and when there's a decimal. So standard numerical form is how we normally see numbers. Word form is how we would say it, just written out in words. Then we're left with expanded form and then something called expanded notation. Expanded form is when we take this number and really stretch it out. So I could go one place value at a time, like I have 10,000, so 10,000 plus, and then I could go into my thousands. I have 7 of them, so 7,000 plus. I have 3 hundreds. Then I have 6 tens and 5 ones. So this is going to be the most basic expanded form. But I can combine any of these and we'll still get expanded form. Like I combine these two here, and then I would get 17,000. And then I could leave this 300 here, and then I could combine these two, which is 65. There's many different ways that I could write this expanded form. It's this number just stretched out. The last one is going to be expanded notation. This is where we're using multiplication and thinking of groups of. So this first one, looking at the 10,000s, how many 10,000s do I have? I have one group of 10,000. So I could write that with multiplication. 1 groups of 10,000 because I'm in the 10,000s place value and I have one of them. And I like to do parentheses to help keep organized. And then I could do addition, and now I'm going to go into the thousands place value. How many groups of 1,000 do I have? I have 7 groups of 1,000. So I'd write that as 7 groups of 1,000. 7 multiplied by 1,000. Continuing into my hundreds, how many groups of 100 do I have? I have 3 groups of 100. So that'd be 3 multiplied by 100. How many groups of 10 do I have? I have 6 groups of 10, so that'd be 6 groups of 10, 6 multiplied by 10. And then finally, how many ones do I have? I have 5 groups of ones. So this is expanded notation. It's this expanded form, except I'm showing my groups of. So I have 1 group of 10,000, I have 7 groups of 1,000, I have 3 groups of 100, I have 6 groups of 10s, and then I have 5 groups of 1s. It's just another way to stretch out our number so we can really see those place values. I hope this video helped. Thanks.